Okay, so now in this video we will work on our main menu script, but before doing anything, you guys just make sure that you click on build settings and make sure that you have added the main menu scene right there first of all, then the town scene, okay, right there. And once you check that, and let me tell you that we already did that in our previous video, so if you skip that part then make sure that you add it right now. And with that added, open up the main menu script. Now right here in our previous videos we have created a function for continuing the game, okay, and we have the variable everything set up for that. Now let's create our start function, okay, for starting the game from the start, okay, from the beginning. So for that, right here at the top we will say public bool start game, and let's set this to false by default. And then down below we will say public void on start button. On start button, what we will do, let me just copy that, paste it down below, change this to starting, and right here change the start game to true. And right here instead of the town, actually we will again load the town scene because we are starting the game, so of course we will be starting from the town scene, okay. And then let's create a function for quitting the game as well. So you will say public void, let's name this similar to the other one, so on quit game, I mean on quit button. Right here we will simply say debug.log quitting game, and then we will say application.quit. And quitting game doesn't work in Unity, okay. When we are testing, of course in Unity we test our game, okay, we create and test our game, but this application.quit will work when we export our game, okay. It will work when we export our game, and when we click on the quit button it will just simply shut down the, it will simply quit the game, okay. That's what I all mean by that. Okay, so now with our functions created, we can just get back to Unity by saving the script. And okay, now if we click on this main menu canvas, as you can see we already attached the script. We can now just simply open up the buttons, click on continue button, right here add a on click event, and actually select the start and quit button as well, and add the event, okay. And in these three buttons, drag and drop the main menu canvas, then select the quit button right here, click on main menu, and then select the on continue button function, and select the start button right here, go inside main menu, then select on start button function. Then for this one we will select on quit button function. That is it. So now these buttons will work just perfectly fine. So if we now save this, okay, and let's play the game again. Let me click on maximize. Now if we click on start, you will notice that in a few seconds it will start the game from the start. As you can see we have $250 and we have everything right here, okay. We don't have any weapons, okay. If we press the 1 2 3 buttons, we don't have any weapons in the inventory, and it shows the first mission, which is locate your house and save game. Don't worry, we will be creating a UI for showing the missions, but that is for the future. But for now, as you can see, it start the game from the start, okay, because in our town scene we leave our player right there at that position from where it started the game. Now if we play the game again, okay, and as you know that we have saved the game before, okay, in our previous video. So now if you click on continue, whoops, I think we are in the scene view. Let me close the game again, okay, and change to the game view actually, then maximize it, play the game. Now if we click on continue, it will continue our game from the player home, and we will have our own money which we saved on it. As you can see, to $580. And if we check the inventory, we have the rifle right there, and it shows the mission that we have completed mission 1, and now the mission 2 is meet Frank in the police station. As you can see, this mission is active. Okay, so now we can continue our game. We can start the game from the start as well. Okay, and also the quit button works as well. Okay, we don't need to check that. So now with our main menu created, now in the next video what we will do, we will simply create the missions UI. So with this done, I will see you guys in the next one.